Most people in the world use either Windows, macOS, or some kind of Linux distro. However, from the darkest corners of the internet, I have found the sketchiest knockoff versions of these popular desktop operating systems that you should probably not download yourself. One really controversial one was Ubuntu. Or Windows Ubuntu. There's a fake-ass Windows logo. It even says in the corner Windows Ubuntu 11. There's the Windows 11 wallpaper, okay? And there's Microsoft Edge. And it does look really weird. Like there's even those Windows 11 transparency effects on all the windows and everything. There's just something really off about this operating system. Let's check out the start menu. It just opens up like that. There's no animation, okay? Let's try searching for something. Microsoft Edge. Chat. This is MS Teams chat. I think, yeah, it's Microsoft Teams. System settings. These ones also have been copied hard. Identical to Microsoft Windows settings. PowerToys is not activated. Verify. And yeah, you can buy something called PowerToys. I just don't remember what exactly was it. Cat etc OS release. So this is like regular Ubuntu or something. 2204. KDE Plasma version 5. Microsoft programs on Linux. How? I have to log in for this one. From what I can tell, it simply points to the website version of Excel and Word and PowerPoint. I also want to see what wallpapers we have. So we have this one and we also have this one from Windows 11. Yeah, there's also the other ones. So that was Ubuntu. Next we have a super shady Apple macOS knockoff. We have to look at Red Star operating system. This is a leaked North Korean Linux distro which they use inside of the country. It comes with a bunch of software pre-installed that spies on whoever is using it at the moment. I think it says like Red Star OS. I don't know, maybe someone knows Korean. And there's my user, which I already created. This kind of reminds me of like macOS Mojave or something. Okay, I have VMware tools also on this one. Can I even install them? There's like these buttons, they are not circles, they are squares for some reason. I want to figure out how to change the screen resolution. System preferences, displays, 1080p was it? And Red Star operating system is actually Fedora Linux, but custom built, I guess. Software manager, what can you even get on this one? Change desktop background. What is this one? Isn't this like one of macOS default wallpapers? Why is it so freaking vibrant? Fly Hirely, Dandelion. This is the same background as this one. You can see even the flowers don't change the position. It's almost as if it's like photoshopped or something. I think let's stick to this one. This is the best one. Dock preferences. Magnification. Yeah, where have I seen this one before? Top menu panel. Can we... Okay, I want to see K-Finder. Oh, and we have some applications. There's a web browser. You access all of these applications from here. There's like a little folder. Font, book, mail, K-Photo, K-Call. Okay, so this operating system creeps the hell out of me. I don't like using it. Then I have found quite a bizarre Linux distro. Maybe it's not really that sketchy, but it certainly is really weird. It's called Linux XP, and it is a Linux distro based on Fedora that is made to look just like Windows XP and also run Windows programs using Wine. I have never heard of this thing before, and apparently it originates from Russia. Linux XP, kernel 2.6. Checking your hardware, please wait. I can see the color scheme is kind of like Windows XP, but I don't see any resemblance. No. Linux XP desktop. This kind of reminds me of that one operating system. Like Lindos. What? Yeah, Lindos it was called. Change desktop background. There's only one wallpaper. Okay, GNOME Commander. Yeah, okay, this is a file explorer, file manager. Let's also change the resolution on this one. Properties. What is this? Control center. Okay, this looks so weird. Menus and panel. No. Themes. Can we get like a Windows something that actually looks like Windows XP? What is this? So this is just a really old version of GNOME. Activation. You had to pay for this one like $40 or something for the full license. Why wouldn't you just buy Windows XP in that case? Why would you buy this one? Help. About. Nautilus 2.8. Copyright 2001. Open terminal. Why is it root by default? Wait, GNOME session version. GNOME session version 2.8.0. And since this one is root by default, can I do some dumb stuff? Can I rf/? Can I do that? Did it actually do anything? Oh no, yeah, I deleted the whole root directory. I deleted everything on the system. Yeah, our files disappeared right now. Oh no, what have I done? The volume control applet appears to have died unexpectedly. Can we even restart anymore? Booting Linux XP. Your system appears to have shut down uncleanly. And yeah, I think the graphical interface is not gonna work. I just wanted to try it out and see, can we actually do that? And it turns out, yes, we can. You can also watch previous parts of this same series, and I'll be back.